created an automated image processing workflow in PhotoFiltre Studio and saved it as a PFO file. These contain reusable batch processing operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these PhotoFiltre Studio order of operations files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading PFO file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. This file stores a saved sequence of image editing operations or filter settings from PhotoFiltre Studio. Users create a PFO file to automate repetitive tasks, such as applying a specific set of adjustments, filters, and effects to multiple images, ensuring consistency and saving time in their workflow. A PFO file is a small, text-based or proprietary binary script. It contains a list of commands and their corresponding parameters in the order they should be executed by the software. This simple sequential design allows PhotoFiltre to easily parse and apply the stored workflow to a target image. The native handling utility for PFO files is PhotoFiltre Studio by Antonio de Cruz. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows cannot validate their meaning, so incorrect edits can cause issues. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your PFO file and select Open With. If PhotoFiltre Studio is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. If you are still having trouble opening the PFO file, do not worry. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, loading in PhotoFiltre Studio. Install PhotoFiltre Studio from the official PhotoFiltre website. Launch the application and access the batch processing module through Tools menu. Load the PFO file using the Load Operations function. The defined operation sequence appears ready for application to selected images or entire folders of source files. Next, running batch operations. With the PFO operation sequence loaded, select source images or a source folder for batch processing. Configure output destination and file naming convention. Execute the batch process, and PhotoFiltre Studio applies all operations defined in the PFO file to each image, producing consistently processed output files automatically. Finally, editing operation sequences. Open the PFO file in PhotoFiltre Studio's Batch Operations Editor to modify the defined sequence. Add new operations, remove existing steps, or adjust parameters for individual operations. Save the modified sequence back to PFO format for future use, ensuring your image processing workflows remain reusable and adaptable to changing requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.